fruit salad. Ingredients: 2 cans, that is 15.25 ounce, fruit cocktail, juice reserved. 1 can, that is 15 ounce, pears, drained and chopped. 1 jar, that is 10 ounce, maraschino cherries, halved. 2 apples, peeled, cored and chopped. 2 Granny Smith apples, cored, peeled and chopped. 2 bananas, peeled and diced. 1 cup chopped walnuts. 1 cup shredded coconut. 1 jar, that is 7 ounce, marshmallow creme. Preparation: in a large bowl, combine the fruit cocktail, pears, cherries, apples, bananas, walnuts and coconut. Fold in marshmallow cream. If too thick, add some reserved fruit juice. Mix well, chill and serve.